How to split text in Microsoft Excel. To split text in Excel, click the column you wish to format. Then click the Data tab. After clicking the Data tab, navigate to the Text to Columns button. When you click the Text to Columns button, a dialog box will appear. This dialog box is used to adjust or change settings within the Convert Text to Columns wizard. There are 3 steps within the wizard. In the first dialog box, the wizard will attempt to understand the current data to determine if it is delimited. Meaning, Excel will determine if the data has field separators such as commas, tabs, or other characters. If Excel determines that your data is delimited, check the Preview section to determine if the chosen format is correct. If not, there is an option to choose the file type to best describe your data. Make changes if needed, then move on to the next step. In the next step, Excel will show a set of delimiters that it recognized while analyzing your data. Select the delimiters in your data by using the provided checkboxes. If you don't see the delimiter you're looking for, then choose Other. Then enter the character that you wish to serve as your delimiter. Other options include, treat consecutive delimiters as one. Click Next to populate available options for each column. Use the preview window to select columns, then set the data format. You can also choose not to import a column. Use the Advanced button for more settings for numeric data. After you are satisfied with the results in the preview window, click Finish to view the results. Lastly, you can insert a new row to change the title of your column headings.